Deandre Coleman.
Yeah. Well, I'll get back to you on that. So, is this okay?
I don't know. We don't really go over it once more.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you want to step back?
Um,
Go over things.
I'm sorry. So you want to talk to me further about signing this, or you want to talk to the judge about the next part of you?
I would like to talk to Mrs. Boyd about the next part. His rules.
Okay.
Okay, talk to me concerning what?
The certification of right of appeal, we're gonna ask for a contested motion to revoke.
Mhm.
My client understands he's gonna plead not true to the allegation, one of the allegations. But it's about signing the trial court certification of right of appeal. I've circled, it's not a plea bargaining case. He still does have.
Here's the thing. I would love for attorneys not to check boxes because I decide whether he can appeal or not. And I don't know what I will do in this case. And I don't know if y'all have reached an agreement whether or not he would waive his right to appeal. So I'm in charge of checking boxes. So if y'all could tell attorneys on trial court certification, please do not check boxes because then I have to scratch things out. So now, with regards to the motion to revoke, this is what I'm going to explain to you. This is a contract with the court. If you want a contested hearing, what that means is the state, whatever allegations they're saying that you did or whatever rules they're saying you violated, they'll have to bring in witnesses to prove it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. So do you want a contested hearing?
For the harassment allegations, yes, ma'am.
All right. So the only thing that I have in the,
Trespass, apologies.
yeah, the only thing I have in the motion to revoke is an allegation that you committed a criminal trespass and the use of marijuana. Those are the only two things I have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, Ms. Roy, is it possible to only contest one of those?
That can be up to your attorney if that's what you want to do. Yes, you can plead true or not true to whichever allegations you want to plead true to.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let me ask you all this.
Yes, sure.
What is the plans for, what is the recommendation?
Recommendation from the states to revoke the law.
All right. And so I only have two allegations, criminal trespass
Well,
and marijuana.
there's gonna be an amended one coming. I need to be in probation because there's gonna be two number ones added to the MTR for the cities.
All right. And in the amended allegations, what are the allegations?
2 charges of harassment.
Okay. So then what we'll need to do is number one, is that going to be filed today?
But need supervision as soon as I can tell you so they can, there and get the amended.
All right. So they're telling me that they're going to amend the motion to revoke. So what that means is they're saying they're going to add more allegations other than the criminal trespass and the marijuana. They're telling me they're going to add 2 allegations of harassment. I don't know anything about these allegations. I won't know until somebody presents some evidence to me if they do so. But in regards to motions to revoke, you can plead true or not true to any allegation you want to.
Yes.
So that means you don't have to plead true to everything. You don't have to plead not true to everything. It's really up to you, hopefully after the discussion with your attorney. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset it. And I'm going to reset it. It's going to be reset for a contested. If it turns out you've spoken to your attorney and you decide not to contest, your attorney, I'm going to ask that you let probation know because they'll have to have witnesses here. And does everyone want the witnesses in person?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, Ms. Ferguson, can you set this for a contested hearing? And what we'll set it for, we'll set it in 3 weeks. And so that'll give your attorney 10 days, well, more than 10 days. March 19th.
Yes.
All right, so March 19th is going to be your contested hearing.
Yes, ma'am. Judge Boyd, while I have you, can I ask a question?
Sure. Now, whether I'm allowed to answer that or not depends on what the question is.
If I wasn't informed that further contact would lead to a harassment, are those amendments to?
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna tell you, because you're asking me about the allegations in the motion.
Yes.
I'm not allowed to give you the law on that.
Okay.
You have to speak to your attorney, because once I start commenting, because it sounds like you're trying to raise some sort of defense to me. And if no, the question you're actually asking me is sort of a defense. And that's, if I answer your question, I'll be commenting on the evidence, and that make it seem like I'm not being objective and open. So that's a question you'll have to ask your attorney. So any legal questions of that nature, be sure to talk to your attorney about it, and he'll give you the law on it, okay? All right, any other questions?
No, thank you, Judge Wilson.
You're welcome. So we'll see you back on March 19th. That'll be a contested hearing. If you discuss things with your attorney and you decide not to have a contested hearing, he'll let probation know so they don't have witnesses. Okay?
Love your flowers.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
They brighten the room. I think so. $20. All right, Miss Abrams, Coleman is contested on the 19th.
Thank you, sir.